Welcome to High-Andy and Hair Variety. I'm Chloe. Today we are inviting Jonathan to introduce some products. So would you like to share any product with our members?
Yes, I would. So I am Jonathan Goldman, CEO of MSB Technology. We have been designing and developing primarily DACs for about the last 25 years. We have developed every aspect of our DACs, from the output stage, digital filters, and DAC modules, and our own clock designs. Everything we design is manufactured in our own factory in Santa Cruz, California. Today at the show we are showing our reference DAC, which is our latest DAC, and it is completely designed and manufactured in our own facility. And it is showcasing our new hybrid DAC module technology that we used in the Select DAC about 2 years ago. In addition to DACs, we also manufacture transports and amplifiers, but our primary business has always been DACs. We also develop our own clock technology. Our clocks are discrete clock designs that we have 3 different levels. The first level is our Femto 140, which has 140 femtoseconds of jitter. Our second level is the Femto 77 with 77 femtoseconds of jitter. And our highest end clock is the Femto 33 with 33 femtoseconds. Everything in our DAC is a complete custom design that we developed ourselves. There are no off-the-shelf audio chips. In our DACs, we use discrete ladder DACs, and in the Select and Reference DAC, we call it the Hybrid DAC module. This Hybrid DAC module is a native DSD DAC as well as a native PCM DAC. It's hybrid because it can be used either for PCM or DSD directly. In the Select DAC and the Reference DAC, we have also developed our own output stage. The unique thing is there's no output buffer anywhere in the products. So what you are actually listening to is the direct output of our resistor ladders. There's no active circuitry, there's no transistors, there's no transformer, there's no op-amps, and both DACs have the option for a constant impedance volume control technology with no active circuitry in it. So it doesn't matter what level you're listening to, the output of the DAC remains a constant impedance. Our Select DAC, which is the top of the line, has a 75 ohm output impedance, and the Reference DAC, which is our middle of the road DAC, has a 150 ohm output impedance. Both of these DACs, as I said, use our hybrid DAC technology. The Reference DAC uses 4 of these modules, whereas our Select DAC uses 8 of these modules. Each module is actually a balanced DAC design, so it does the positive and negative phases of the signal. So in the Select DAC, it's equivalent to 16 channels worth of audio. The way we get the output to 75 ohms and without the need for an output buffer is by taking 8 of these modules and summing the outputs. This gives us a low enough current impedance to drive amplifiers and, in some cases, some headphones directly without the need for an op-amp. The best output path you can have is a clean, simple path. Every time you add a op-amp or an amplifier, you lose something. There's a reason why there's thousands of op-amps to choose from, is because there is no such thing as a perfect amplifier. So we decided to approach our DAC design and go, how can we get by without an output device? And the solution was using our new DAC technology that we have developed. Both of our DACs are modular by design, so all the inputs are individual modules, and you only buy the modules that you need. So if you want to use just USB, you just install the USB input module. If you have all the input modules installed, only the one that you are playing is powered on and the others are turned off. This keeps a very low noise inside of the DAC. The other benefit of the modular design is the thing that goes obsolete most often on a DAC is not the DAC conversion, it's not the digital filter, and it's not the analog stage. It's the different digital inputs. Every time a new USB version comes out, you need to change your DAC. Well, with the modular design, when a new input format comes out, you simply remove the module and install a new one, and you're not having to replace your DAC.
So thank you. You're taking your time to share with our members. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Yes.